and then I'll contact the corrupt politician.
Oh, bless you.
The hell was that? Who was that? You, KJ? Right.
What? Oh,
What the fuck is that?
Jesus Christ.
And now he's trying to cough in a manly fashion
trying
to
to make
offset that ridiculous pixie sneeze.
One box for a machine gun.
Oh,
What the fuck was that?
oh, bless you. There we
That's
go.
the
Icing
sound
on
he
the
makes!
cake.
Are you hearing that? It's ridiculous.
we've
Sounds like
classified that as
Tinkerbell having a
man
fucking
queef
orgasm.
before.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, more than you'll ever understand.
What
Oh
the
my
fuck
God.
is wrong with you?
Oh god, that felt so good.
That was not a
What?
fucking sneeze.
It was a sneeze. Real men don't need their sneezes to sound masculine.
Real men just
Okay?
fucking sneeze. Real men don't sound like a fairy having a stroke.
Well, maybe I'm the fucking manliest fairy that you've ever seen in your life. Must.
I really doubt it.
Is that how you win every argument? Just shoot the opposition in the face.
It's worked so far.